Okay, so friends, we are discussing the questions from 5th December 2019 afternoon shift. So we are discussing data interpretation question in this particular video. So firstly, you have given a table. The table is below represent the percentage profit earned by two companies A and B during the period 2013 to 2018. Based on the data given in the table, answer 5 questions that follow. And they have given the year-wise percentage profit. Okay, profit earned is given. We know profit percentage equal to income minus expenditure by expenditure into 100, similar to growth rate percentage. So this is a percentage profit earned by two companies. So the first question, if the expenditure of company B in the year 2013 was rupees 17 lakh, then what was its income in that year? So they have regarding the profit percentage from the table, and the question is, if the expenditure of company B in the year 2013 was rupees 17 lakhs, then what was the income in that year? You have okay, A B C D option. So it is RS 22.96, 23.15, 24.50 and 25.65. Okay, I will give you some time, try to give you answers. Okay, give your answers in the comment section. So the question is regarding, you want to find the income in that particular year. Okay, so that's it. We'll try to do the question. Okay, the question is regarding, they have given us the expenditure of the company, and it's given in the previous slide. Okay, we have the profit percentage equal to, the equation is profit percentage equal to income minus expenditure by expenditure into 100. So it's all about, the question is regarding the year 2013. The question is regarding the year 2013. We have the profit earned, and it's all about by the company B. So the profit earned is 35%. So substituting in the equation, we can say that 35% equal to, let's substitute the income as X. Okay, let's put the income as X. So X minus expenditure, we have it as 17 by 17 into 100. Okay, into 100, from which we can write it as 35 x minus 17 by 17. Okay, 35 by 100 is equal to x minus 17 by 17. Okay, which can be further written as 35 by 100 equal to x by 17 minus 1. Okay, just we split it out. which gives you 35 by 100 equal to 35 by 100 plus 1 equal to x by 17, from which you get x is equal to 30, x is equal to, okay, you get it as 135 by 100, taking the LCM into 17, from which we get x is equal to 459 by 20, which gives you 22.96. So it's a direct question. We put 35% equal to, we put in the equation 35% equal to x minus 17 by 17 into 100. We just split it up, x by 17 minus 17 by 17. This 17 by 17 we can write it as 1. So 35 by 100, this minus 1 when bring to this area become plus. 35 by 100 plus 1 equal to x minus x by 17. Then 35 by 100 plus 1, taking the LCM, 1 into 100, 100 plus 35, 135, 135 by 100. We can write this as 135 by 100 equal to x by 17, from which we can write x equal to 130 by 500 into 17. You get it as 22.96. So you have the option A as the correct answer. Okay, 22.96. So moving to next question. Yeah, question number A, 22.96 is the option number A. 22.96 the correct answer. Moving to next question. In which year is the ratio of income to expenditure of company A the maximum? In which year the ratio of the income to expenditure of the company maximum? It's a question is regarding company A. Okay, I will give you some time. Give me answers in the comment section. Okay, so the question is regarding ratio of income to expenditure in which year? Whether it's in the year 2013, whether it's in the year 2017, 2015 or 2018. Okay, so give me the answer last 30 seconds. You have the last 30 seconds. Okay, so that's it. Let's try to do. It's a bit testing question because the question is regarding ratio of income to expenditure. So we can go to the same equation we have. Profit percentage equal to income minus expenditure by expenditure into 100. Okay, income minus expenditure by expenditure into 100, which can be split as so from this we can write profit by 100. Okay, here profit by 100 equal to income minus expenditure by expenditure. This can be further split as income by expenditure minus expenditure by expenditure, which can be further written as income by expenditure minus 1. So we have profit by 100% equal to income by expenditure minus 1, from which we get income by expenditure equals profit by 100 plus 1. Okay, so question is regarding in which year the ratio of income to expenditure. So it's all about in which year the ratio of income to expenditure. So we just rearrange the equation profit percentage equal to income minus expenditure by expenditure into 100. You get it as profit by 100 equal to income minus expenditure, from which you get income by expenditure equal to a profit by 100 plus 1. So we can say this value will be higher when the profit percentage will be higher. Simple, from this particular equation we can say income by expenditure will be higher when the profit percentage is higher. So let's see in which year profit percentage is higher with regard to a out of the all the years. It is in 2015, so we have the year 2015 here also. So it's a direct question. Rearranging the equation, we will get that income by expenditure ratio will be higher when the profit percentage is higher. Out of all the option A, B, C, D, we have 2015 with the highest profit percentage, so we have the option answer C as the correct answer to this particular question. So moving to the next question. If the sum of the expenditure of company B in the year 2014 and 2017 together is rupees 48 lakhs, then what is the total income of the company B in these 2 years together? Okay, that's it. Try to do. Okay, we'll give you some time. Please put your answer in the comment section. Okay, last 20 seconds. Please give me the answer. Okay, so that's it. We'll try to do the question. The question is regarding this if the sum of expenditure of company B in the year 2014 and 2017, okay, as together is 48 lakhs, then what is the total income in these years? That's a question. So it's given in the question. We have the considering 2014 and 2017 the company B, we can see in both cases the profit percentage is same. Okay, in both cases the profit percentage is same. Okay, both cases we have the same profit percentage. Okay, so since profit percentage is same, expenditure will be also same in both years. So together we have, since the profit is same, we can say expenditure will be same. Okay, expenditure will be same in these cases, because both cases there is a 30%. So profit is same, expenditure is same. So the sum of the expenditure is given as 48 lakhs. So we can say the expenditure in 1 year. Okay, sum is 48 lakh, expenditure will be 48 by 2, so you have 24 lakhs. Okay, so now we will be considering 2014. Regarding 2014, we get the expenditure as expenditure as 24. Okay, now we have profit percentage equal to income minus expenditure by expenditure into 100, which gives you a profit percentage 30 equal to x minus 24 by 24 into 100, x minus 24 by 24 into 100. So then we want to solve the equation in the same way we have already done in the previous case also. I will be doing that. Bringing 100 here, we get it as 30 by 100 equal to x minus 24 by 24. Okay, x minus 24 by 24. Again, here our step is 30 by 100 equal to 30 by 100 equal to x minus 24 by 24, which can be further written as x by 24 minus 24 by 24, that is x by 24, which can be further written as x by 24 minus 1. So you got 30 by 100 equal to x by 24 minus 100, from which you get x by 24 equal to 30 by 100. Okay, it's 30 by 100 plus 1. Solving it, you will get x is equal to 130 into 24 by 100, which is 31.2. Okay, we directly applied the equation profit percentage equal to income minus expenditure by expenditure into 100. We solve the equation and we get the expenditure of 1 year is 31.2 lakhs. But the question is, what will be the income of 1 year is 31.2 lakhs. Income in these 2 years together. Remember, we have the profit percentage as the same, we have the expenditure as the same, so we can say income will be also same. If 1 year it is 31.2, for 2 year it will be 31.2 into 2, which will give you 62.4. Okay, you will get it as 62.4. Okay, so option A will be the correct answer. It's a simple question directly. In which is a ratio, this is a question. Sum of the expenditure is given as 48. We have profit is same, 30 and 30, so expenditure will be same, from which you get expenditure for 1 year as 24, from which you get the income for 1 year as 31 into 2, 31.2. So income for both years will be 31.2 into 2, you get it as 62.4. Okay, so you have the option A as the correct answer. Moving to the next question. If the expenditure of company A in the year 2013 and the company B in the year 2018 are same, and the income of company B in the year 2018 is rupees 77 lakh, then what is the income of the company A in the year 2030? Try to do the question. Bit twisty. We'll give you some time. Okay, so give me the answer. Last few seconds. Okay, so remember here the question, they have given the expenditure of company A in the year 2013 and B in the year 2018 are same, and the income of company B in the year 2018 is 75 lakhs. Okay, so by the value 7, using the value 77 lakhs in the year 2018, we want to find the expenditure, and it's given that expenditure is same that of 2013. Also 2013 you got the expenditure, from which you want to find again the income of 2013. Okay, don't get confused. Let's do it's given income of company B in 2018 is 77 lakhs. 77 lakhs. Also profit is 2018 company B, 2018 company B, it is 40%, profit is 40%. So which gives us substituting in the equation profit percentage equal to income minus expenditure by expenditure, we get it as 40% equal to 77 minus, given we have the income x by x into 100, which gives us 40 by 100 equal to 77 by x minus 1, which gives you 77 by x is equal to 40 by 100 plus 1, which gives you x is equal to 77 into 100 by 140. So we'll get it as 55. Okay, so income of company we know 77 and profit also we know 40%. We substitute in the equation 40% equal to 77 minus x by x into 100, from which we get x or the expenditure as 55 lakhs. So we have the expenditure of company B in the year 2018 is 55. So we have if the expenditure of company A in 2013 and company B in 2018 is same. Company B in 2018 we got it 55 lakhs. So expenditure of company A in the year 2013 will be also 55. From the first statement we can write that expenditure of company A in 2013 will be 55. But our question is find the income. Okay, so we got the expenditure as 55, and we have in the year 2013 company A the profit percentage equal to 20. So again we will be substituting the equation profit percentage 20% equal to, okay, income minus expenditure. Income we don't know, x minus 55 by 55 into 100, which gives you 20 by 100 equal to x by 55 minus 1, okay, which gives you yeah, x by 55 equal to 20 by 100 plus 1, which gives you x is equal to 55 into x will be equal to 55 into 120 by 100. Okay, 120 by 100, you get the answer of 66. Okay, so it's also a direct and a easy question. They have given the expenditure of company. Finally, they have given the value income of company B in the year 2077. So using this value income of company B in the year 2018 is 77, we will be finding expenditure of the company B in the year 2018. We got it as 55, and it's given that expenditure of company B in 2018 same as expenditure of company A in 2013, from which we get expenditure of 2013, from which we get the income of 2013. So we get the answer 66 as the correct answer. Okay, so we have option B as the correct answer for this question. So we are moving to the final question from this set of data interpretation question. Question is, if the income of company A in the year 2017 is 26 lakh, then what is expenditure of company A in that year? Okay, so the last question from this set of data interpretation. Okay, so that's it. Once again we'll be doing it seems that this particular question set is a bit tough, but almost all the question is based on the same equation. If you are clear with the equation, that is profit percentage equal to income minus expenditure by expenditure into 100. If you are clear with this equation, you will get answer to all question. If you are not clear, you can't answer any question. So we'll try to do this question. It's regarding company. One last time we'll be doing company A in 2017. Given income is 26, profit is in company A 2017, company A profit is 30%. Okay, 30%. So substituting the equation, 30% equal to income 26 minus x by x into 100, which gives you 30 by 100. This 100 will be going to the other side. 30 by 100 equal 26 minus x by x, which gives you 30 by 100. We can write it as
3 by 10, no issue. See, we can write 30 by 100 equal to 26 by x minus x by x. Okay, minus x by x. So we are from here 26 by x minus x, which we can write it as 30 by 100 equal to 26 by x minus 1 coming to this side will become positive. 30 by 100 plus 1 equal to 26 by x. Okay, we can try to solve one time. 30 by 100 plus 1 to 26 by x, which will give us, taking LCM, 30 plus 100 by 100 equal to equals 26 by x, which gives us 130 by 100 equal to 26 by x, which gives us x is equal to 26 into 100 by 130. X is equal to 26 into 100 by 130. 0 0 get cancelled, we get the value as 20 lakhs. So this will be the way we'll be finding. We will be substituting everything in the equation. Profit equal to income minus expenditure by expenditure into 100. So we have expenditure, given that expenditure of income in the particular year is 26, just equate, we find 30 equal 26 by x into 100, from which you get 30 by 100 equal 26 minus x by x. 30 by 100 equal to 26 by x minus x by s. 30 by 100 equal 26 by x minus 1, become positive and come to the other side. 30 by 100 plus 1 equal 26 by x. Again here 30 by 100 plus 1 equal 26 by x. 30 plus we want to add this one, we want to take LCM. 30 plus 100 by 100, 26 by x, from which we get x equal to 26 into 100 by 130. You get the answer as 20. So this particular question, for this particular question, you have the option 20 lakhs as the correct answer. So that's all about data interpretation questions. So that's all about this set of data interpretation questions from 2019 December 5th afternoon. We'll be discussing more questions, okay, from this December session in the coming days. If you are if you would like to receive all the upcoming videos, and also you would like to see all the previous videos already released, you can join our Diksha Classroom YouTube channel. Also, if you want to know more about Diksha Classroom, various online courses, free mock tests, previous questions, etc. related with Diksha Classroom, you can visit our website www.dikshaclassroom.com. Thank you friend. See you tomorrow, same time.